Taking a leap into Scandinavian luxury requires knowing exactly what you are dealing with, especially when analyzing the foundation of a modern platform like the 2016 Volvo XC90. This vehicle marked a massive reset for the brand, introducing the scalable product architecture, but early adopters often face growing pains. Looking at the factory specifications, this specific model features a 2-liter supercharged and turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine. This complex twin-charge setup produces 320 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission to an all-wheel drive system, allowing this heavy family hauler to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 6.5 seconds. Practicality is a strong suit, with the official data indicating 692 liters of boot capacity when the third-row seats are folded flat. However, examining the historical data for these early production models reveals several common pain points that second-hand buyers must consider. The initial rollout of the Sensus infotainment system was plagued by slow boot-up times and occasional freezing, requiring numerous software updates to stabilize. Mechanics frequently note that early Drive E engines sometimes consumed excess oil due to piston ring designs, and there were documented cases of water intrusion from clogged sunroof drains causing havoc with interior electronics. Some owners also reported premature wear on the air suspension compressor if the vehicle was equipped with that option. Moving to the exterior design, the vehicle set a new standard for minimalist automotive aesthetics. The front fascia is dominated by the now iconic Thor's hammer daytime running lights, a bold upright grille with the prominent Iron Mark logo, and sharp lines that stretch across the broad shoulders of the vehicle. Depending on the trim, it sits on 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels that fill the large arches perfectly, giving it a planted stance. The aerodynamic profile is surprisingly sleek for a large sport utility vehicle, featuring a subtle rear roof spoiler and carefully sculpted side panels that direct airflow efficiently. Inside the cabin, the layout prioritized a reduction in physical buttons, replacing them with a 9-inch vertical touchscreen that controls almost every vehicle function. The material quality was a significant step up from previous generations, utilizing genuine open-pore wood trims, soft touch plastics, and available Nappa leather seating surfaces. Safety technology was paramount, featuring the first generation of pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, and an extensive suite of collision avoidance systems. When analyzing the driving dynamics based on the technical architecture, the standard touring suspension utilizes a unique transverse composite leaf spring in the rear, which frees up cargo space while maintaining load leveling capabilities. On paper, this setup prioritizes highway stability and bump absorption over aggressive cornering, which makes sense for its class. The heavy curb weight ensures a secure feeling at cruising speeds, though the complex forced induction engine requires precise gear changes from the 8-speed automatic to keep the momentum going without noticeable lag. The combination of twin charging theoretically eliminates bottom-end delay with the supercharger, while the turbocharger takes over at higher revolutions. Ultimately, stepping into this early model year means balancing the undeniable aesthetic appeal and robust safety framework against the reality of potential early production electrical and mechanical quirks.